So, it's supposed to be the storm of the century. Everyone run to Walmart, buy everything, buy all the toilet paper, buy all the water, buy. Well, it's not that bad. It is currently sleeting, snow, and rain, but it's not what you think. It's not what we were told. We were told, I believe it was like 12 to 14 inches of snow, but it's not. I think we have less than a half an inch actually. I'll let you know if I find out anything else or if anything changes. But right now, overrated, overblown.